Okay, good morning students. Today I will be showing how to install the application anydesk on a desktop. This is the procedure to install it in a desktop. So you will go to Google and you will type in any anydesk download, and you notice that the third one where it says fast remote desktop application, you will click on that link so that you can download the application. You click it and you click the free download. Once you have clicked that, you will download the program. You notice that it is downloaded. I already downloaded the program, so I will cancel this. Once you have downloaded the program, you will go to your desktop, to your folders, and you will go to downloads. You notice that you have it right there. Anydesk, you just click that. I will click it, and I already have it installed, but you just click next, 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 and then it will install. Okay, easy as that. It's not complicated. This is a program that you will be using. This is a program that you will be using. This is the program that you will be using. Now, if you notice, you have this desktop and you have some numbers here. The numbers are here. Now, the teacher will give you access to a computer. That means you will have access to a computer lab. You will enter that number in here. That number will be entered and you click connect. Once you have clicked connect, it will ask you for a password, and teacher will provide you with that password as well. And that's how you will access your desktop from your home to the computer lab. Now for those ones that are using tablets, you notice that you have your tablet. This is my phone here. You notice that you go to you find the one that says Google Play. See if I and you notice that right here it says Play Store. If you are using Android, it is your Play Store. If you are using iPad, it is iTunes or iStore. You click that and you type in any desk. You notice that the first option comes out here where it says any desk remote control. You click it and then you install your anydesk. Let's just wait so that it can install the program. Just wait so that it is installed. You notice that they are already installed. I click it open, and I just click OK. I don't want any tutorial. And you notice that it gives you here, it gives you the options to remote address. Here is where you will put in, you will be placing the address that will be provided by teacher. Once you have entered that, you just click here. This is like the enter button here, and then you will be removed to your desktop. Okay, and this is how you go about. This will only work with desktop and tablets. It will not work with your phone. Why? Because then you will see your screen very small, and then it won't be able to access or remove that computer. So you need to have a tablet or a desktop preferable. Okay, this is all, students. This is all for this is how you install anydesk, and that's all for today.